Overwatering or underwatering your plants? What if a cute owl could tell you exactly when they're thirsty? No guesswork. This King's Gardening Clever Pot saved my succulents, and I'll show you how it works. Hey plant lovers, welcome to SmartBloom, your guide to smarter gardening. I'm your favorite YouTuber, here to share the coolest plant tools. Today we're unboxing the King's Gardening Clever Pot in black owl design. Let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button to join our SmartBloom crew. The King's Gardening Clever Pot is an 8-inch self-watering planter, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. It has a unique animated eye water level indicator that moves to show when your plant needs water. Made of UV-resistant plastic, it's durable and won't fade in the sun. With a 1.5-gallon capacity, it's ideal for flowers, succulents, African violets, and more. Say goodbye to overwatering. This pot makes plant care a breeze. Here's how this pot makes plant care easy in 3 steps. Step 1. Plant your favorite flower or succulent. The 8-inch size fits perfectly. Step 2. Fill the reservoir through the funnels on both sides. It holds 1.5 gallons. Step 3. Watch the owl's eyes. They move down when it's thirsty and up when it's full. It's like your plant has a little buddy looking out for it. I used this pot for my African violets in my Florida apartment, and they're thriving. The owl eyes told me exactly when to add water, no more guessing. The UV-resistant plastic held up perfectly on my sunny balcony. Pro tip: for succulents, let the eyes drop to low before watering. They don't like too much water. Some users say the inner pot is smaller than expected, so it's best for medium-sized plants. Bonus tip: clean the reservoir monthly to keep the eyes moving smoothly. Here's why I'm obsessed with this pot. Pros: the animated owl eyes make watering fun, it's UV resistant for indoor or outdoor use, and it's perfect for busy plant parents. Cons: the inner pot is a bit small for larger plants and some say it feels a little cheap, but honestly this pot made me a better plant parent. I love seeing my plants thrive. Do you overwater your plants too? Drop your story in the comments, I'm listening. This clever pot is perfect for plant lovers in the USA, EU, or Canada, who grow succulents, African violets, or flowers, indoors or outdoors. It's great for beginners or busy folks who want a low-maintenance planter. Not ideal for very large plants due to the inner pot size, though. Ready to water smarter? Grab the King's Gardening Clever Pot on Amazon. Link below. What's your favorite plant to grow in a pot? Share in the comments. I reply to everyone. Love this video? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom. We bring you gardening tips to make your plants thrive and your life easier.